Hello people and welcome to Btekt, the place to be if you like your tech reviews to actually look good. I'm always doing my best to bring you the best visuals possible, and today's no exception. And I've got an unboxing for you of the Honor 8X. If you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back and thanks so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new to Btekt and you like what you see, then it would be great if you could hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell and smash that like button. So the Honor 8X, the usual attractive bright blue packaging on this one. It's not a retail copy, so there's no information on the back. So let's not hang about and get it open. And it's another very nice looking and stylish handset from Honor. The glass on the front and the back gives it a premium feel. Other than this red, it's also available in black, blue or pink. Here inside the box, we've got a USB power brick and a USB 2.0 cable. So no USB Type-C. And that's pretty much it. As I said before, this is not a retail copy, so it seems to be missing a few bits and pieces, such as the headphones. This phone does have a headphone jack, so I'm sure one will be provided inside the box. Before we go on, I want to tell you about a site called Direct Mobiles. They have a great selection of handsets and work very hard to bring their customers the best deals, whether you're looking to buy your phone outright or you want a good contract. They have one of the highest Trustpilot scores of any mobile phone retailer and have over 23 years of award-winning customer service. So they definitely come recommended as a great place to buy your new phone. Check in the video description below for a link to their website or search directmobiles.co.uk. Now back to the Honor 8X unboxing. This one has a retail price of about €220 or £200. And for that money you get a 6.5-inch IPS Honor Full View display with a 91% screen to body ratio, and it is a striking and good looking screen. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 and a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio with a pixel density of 394 ppi. The screen is sporting a quite narrow yet still fairly chunky notch. The notch has a 16 megapixel front facing camera with an f2.0 lens which has HDR and 1080p video recording. There is a small chin at the bottom, but it is very slim, and it's a glass sandwich design with an aluminium frame. On the left side there's the SIM card tray and a microSD expansion slot which supports cards up to 256GB, while on the right you'll find the volume and the power keys. There's nothing on the top, but underneath you will find that USB 2.0 connector, a downfiring speaker and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Over on the back, and it's finished with this reflective wood grain like effect which moves and shimmers in the light and looks pretty cool. In the centre there's a rear mounted fingerprint scanner and the AI camera system consisting of a 20 megapixel main sensor with a phase detection autofocus and an f1.8 lens backed up by a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Video is recorded at 1080p and up to 30 frames per second, and the camera app is well stocked with various shooting modes such as portrait mode, HDR and AR lens. It even has a P20 Pro Lite night mode which will give you handheld long exposures for up to 4 seconds. I've taken a couple shots and for a budget phone I'm really impressed. Inside the Honor 8X is the Kirin 710, a newly developed processor that you'll also find in the recently released Huawei Mate 20 Lite. Check out my unboxing and tips and tricks video about that one in the description below, or click the card above. If you like the look of this phone and you've got a little bit more money to spend, then you really should take a look at the Mate 20 Lite. Along with the Kirin 710, this particular model has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. 128GB of storage is also available. All versions carry the same 3750 mAh battery, which combined with the AI power usage features of the Kirin 710, this should give this phone exceptional battery life. The phone is running Android 8.1 with EMUI 8.2 running on top, and I have to say that I'm actually starting to like using EMUI software. I never used to like it at first, but it's a much better experience since the latest updates, and this phone should be updated to Android Pie EMUI 9 very soon. So all in all, a very nice looking and well priced, well spec phone from Honor that gives you a nice big screen with a good premium feel and very good pictures. It's a very similar feel to the Mate 20 Lite, but costing considerably cheaper. I need a little bit more time before I can give my final verdict, but at this price range you're definitely getting a lot for your money with the Honor 8X. Okay, that's it from me. Seems like this could be a good one. But if you're not into this, don't worry. There's quite a few major flagships being released in the next few weeks, and I'll get my hands on all of them, so plenty more good content coming your way on Btekt very soon. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, ding that notification bell. Make sure you hit it twice so you get word every time we post a video, and not just occasionally. Thank you so much for watching. This was just a quick unboxing. We'll have a review very soon. I'm David Wildman and this was Btekt.
Archieginsburgh on the